Okay, I almost did it again. I keep wanting to thank everybody for the kind comments. And I keep starting videos, and I start them, and there goes another one. I'll do it on the next one. Then the next one. Including this one. I already recorded what you're about to see, and I thought, there, I did it again. So I'm recording this at the end, and I'm going to stick it in the beginning, and there, this video will, I've done it, finally. Don't know what to say. Y'all are some nice people, and great, comments and suggestions. Or thank you. So, all right, on with the video. I swear this weather is following me. Yesterday was the only nice sunny day, but I think I got enough sunshine to hold me over a little bit. My mood is hanging in there. Look at this. No parking overnight. Grr. But we have spent the entire day here. We came down here early this morning. We've just been hanging at the beach all day. It did get sunny a little bit, and we've gone on some really nice walks today. It's been nice down here, and we'll sneak in another one here before long. We'll have to get out of here after a while, but it's been a great place to spend the day. Anyway, there's a bunch of seagulls way down there, and I'm going to try to lure them up this way. Okay, look, kind of like the Walmart parking lot a couple videos ago. I got some old cheese bread that was nasty that I didn't eat, and a whole sleeve of saltines. It's kind of windy out here, so I'll probably just I'll probably mute the file and put some music to it. But I'm going to see if I can't lure them up here. There's a bunch of them, so this might be a real feeding frenzy. Okay. Oh, Bella's not going to like this. Bella has to stay here. The rules are posted right down there. The rules are posted. Number 1 rule, no dogs on the beach. So, we've walked down the walkway and through the grassy area here. We follow the rules. Some people haven't or don't. Maybe they didn't see them or don't care about them. I don't know. I have a hard time. I'm not much of a rule breaker these days. There was a time back in the day where, never mind that. It ain't worth, it's just not worth the aggravation. I don't even want warned, let alone a citation or anything. It's just not worth the aggravation. Follow the rules. You won't have a problem. So, break the rules and don't complain when the consequences come. So, alright, we're going to see if we can get these birds up this way. was fun. I don't know if I'll do that again though. I thought they was going to gang up on me and start taking it out of my hands. I don't know about that. I might get pecked in the head or something. Okay, I got Bella now. It's all good. I should have put a camera up in the RV to see how she reacted to all that. She might have thought I was in danger and was stressing out. I don't know, she seemed pretty calm when I got back. I don't think she was too worried. Alright, there she goes. We're off, huh, girl? Nah, go on, let's stay up off the beach. Come on, there's rules against that sort of thing. Uh-oh, now you done it. Now you done it. Come on, come on, come on, up here. Yeah, sometimes I'll walk her and sometimes just let a dog be a dog and let her take the lead and sniff around. Oh, good. I didn't bring a bag with me. Unfortunately, she's tinkling. Come on, girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, easy, easy. So, yeah, part of life on the road, at least, you know, my style, really all you have to do is figure out where you're going to stay for the night. That's all. Because you can go anywhere all day long. You go to a beach or a park or, you know, there's anything you do, any other lifestyle. You can do whatever, park wherever, pretty much. Or slight limitations with an RV, but for the most part, you can go anywhere. So you can do whatever during the day. You just got to figure out what your nighttime thing is. You know, whether you like to, you know, hop from RV park to RV park, or do it on the cheap, you know, seek out free places. You know, I might live in Mississippi this week. But I don't want to be noticed as a permanent fixture. I'm not going to stay in the same place for 2 or 3 or 4 nights, you know. I'll move around a bit. There's a when you know it, there's a Walmart about 2 miles up the road. So I know I can count on that. That's easy. There's another Walmart about 7 miles from here. You know, there's various other places that would be easy. It's a shame that this place, there's no... Of course, it'd be swamped. There'd be RVs here all the time. So there's places they have to control that. Now, this stretch of beach here through Pass Christian is... there's a lot of pull-offs, and they're not marked. And it's on freecampsites.net that you could stay. You could stay overnight, but those pull-offs are right by the road. You know, it'd be like being pulled off on the interstate. You have traffic whizzing by. So you could, if you're in a real bind, and if you prefer that over a much more quieter Walmart lot, I mean, so be it, you can stay there. But unfortunately, these lots like this that are off the, you know, that are further off the main road, sorry, no can do, not allowed. So we'll move along. At some point here, we're gonna put a couple things away. Might go hang out at Walmart again this evening. So we just might come back down here again tomorrow. We might just spend a week at the beach. Knowing me though, I get a couple days somewhere and I get ready to roll. So we'll see how that works out. There's nothing in that compartment for you. I'm just exploring. I was just exploring RV a little bit better. I never noticed some compartments outside before. Huh? There's probably salt on my hand from the saltines still. Alright, come on, Bella. Come on, girl. Alright. Actually, I'm going to put this camera down. and take her for a more serious walk. So I'll talk to y'all later. You ready to go? Are you ready to go now? Are you ready to go? Okay, we've got our evening power walk in, and we're gonna go find our spot for the night. And we'll think about, I might be checking around on some maps and whether we go back to the beach tomorrow or find something else to do. It's to be determined, right? So, anyway, thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll see you soon. And till next time, I'll see you. Besides, I'm out of ice cream sandwiches.